One of the world's most advanced automobile production facilities, Factory 56 in Sindelfingen. We are taking on the challenges ahead. The 3 decisive answers: digital, flexible, green. Cars with combustion engines or fully electric vehicles. Different vehicle architectures can be produced on the same assembly line in Factory 56. Our new S-Class, high-end and luxury EQ models, and self-driving cars, side by side. We are creating a completely new infrastructure in Factory 56. The production facility communicates with its surroundings and the vehicle. This is possible because Factory 56 uses a proprietary, high-performance wireless and cellular network. Humans, machines, and vehicles are interconnected. Complex production steps are bundled in our tech line. The use of driverless transport systems enables flexibility. A change from continuous flow to cycle operation mode is possible. Breathing assembly lines have the flexibility to be extended. The consistent use of shopping carts supplied through intelligent picking systems ensures a need-based fast supply for our workers, even in the case of a high number of variants. No system or machine is as flexible as a human being. This also applies to Factory 56. We use automation only where it is practical and economically useful. Work should be fun. A new work organization with smaller groups allows more time for leadership. Innovative working models simplify the compatibility of professional and private life. And why shouldn't employees be able to use an app to choose their shifts and workstations on short notice? Already today, we reduce the training time of our employees through virtual trainings. Our customers also benefit from the flexibility of Factory 56. Already today, they receive insights into the production of their vehicles. We imagine that in the future, our customers will be able to make last-minute changes to their vehicles. Flexible production, efficient and individualized. Digital. State-of-the-art Industry 4.0 technologies support our Factory 56 production process across the entire value chain. 360 degrees, from design and development through suppliers to final assembly by our workers. Factory 56 already exists as a digital model, our digital twin of the production facility. This is how we digitally safeguard production processes. We use virtual reality, for example, for the ergonomic optimization of workstations. Predicting the future using artificial intelligence. Relevant data is collected and evaluated using big data technology. Intelligent software can analyze data collected from the production systems and determine which malfunction will occur with what probability. Avoiding disruptions before they occur, this is what makes predictive maintenance a reality. Parts from our suppliers on the way to Factory 56. As part of our smart supply chain, tracking and tracing enables us to follow the path of each part, from production by one of our suppliers to assembly in one of our vehicles. Factory 56 is paperless. All relevant data is provided to our workers on smart devices at precisely the right time and place. Transparency and speed through analysis and visualization of relevant production data in real time. Digital shop floor management as a tool for our managers in production. Revolutionary quality management through artificial intelligence. Our Q-Live system digitalizes and unifies the issue resolution process holistically. Employees receive immediate notification of errors and are supported in resolving and avoiding them in the future. Every employee, a quality manager of our brand. Green. Inside and out, energy efficient and eco-friendly. Factory 56 uses renewable energy and is supplied with CO2 neutral power from the very start. A photovoltaic system on the building's green roof provides electricity. In the future, this will also be used to supply our charging stations. An innovative DC network increases efficiency during operation. The blue sky architecture creates a connection to the outside. This results in plenty of daylight inside the building, a pleasant working environment. The brake areas, designed according to the latest standards. Cheerful colors and a pleasant atmosphere. Saving electricity using renewable energy, minimizing water consumption and waste. Our future is green, sustainable, efficient, and CO2 neutral. We invented the automobile. With Factory 56, we are reinventing production. Digital, flexible, green.